Today we have understand a program. The program is write a program in C or C++ to input a number and find its factorial. If we want to find the factorial of a number, firstly we understand what is factorial and how we find factorial of a number. Firstly we understand what is factorial. If we want to find the factorial of any number, then we multiply that number to its decreased value until the value is 1. If we want to find the factorial of 5, then first time we multiply 5 by 4, then store the value in one variable. Then we multiply the stored value with 3. Then we multiply 3 stored value with 2. Then we multiply stored value with 1. After that we find the result, that is 120, and 120 is the factorial of given number. So for finding the factorial, we have to make a program in C and C++ programming. How this program can run? Let us see. Firstly, we return our header file, that is hash include stereo.h and hash include conio.h. These two header files used in C programming. If we want to construct a program in C+ programming, then we use hash include iostream.h and hash include conio.h. Hash include is a preprocessor statement which adds the program to their header files. So these header files are very useful. After that, the topic is function in C. So we create this program with the help of function, that is data type, function name, and argument or parameter list. Data type or return type is int, function name is fact, and number of argument or parameter list is int. Then after that we use main function and open the body of main function. Then we declare two variables, that is n and f, having integer data type. Then we use a function, that is CLR-SCR. CLR-SCR function is used in every program. Why? Because it clears the output screen. After that we give a message. If we want to give a message in C, then printf statement is used. We give a message in printf, enter any number. If we want to give any message in C++, then we use cout statement. In cout we also give same message, that is enter any number. Then we scan the value with the help of access specifier and %n. The value is scanned and store in n, C in n. In C++ programming we use C in function and that value scan in n. After that, this line used for function calling statement, f equal to fact n. Then we goes to the function definition. The function definition is data type, function name, and number of argument or parameter list. Data type is int, function name is fact, and the parameter is a. Then we open the body of the function and declare a variable, that is p, and we assign 1 in p. and P is a integer type, then we use while statement. This is used to find the condition. In while we return a condition, that is until a is greater than 1. Then we come in the body of loop, p equal to p into a. The first time p is 1 into a. If we find the factorial of 5, then 1 into 5. In p we store 5. After that a minus minus, this is post increment operator, post decrement operator. It decreases the value by 1. Then the next value becomes 4. After that it multiply by 4 and it prints 20. Then goes to the while statement, the value 3 greater than 1, and next time 20 into 3, that is 60. 2 also greater than 1, so 60 multiplied by 2, that is 120. In P 120 is stored and the condition is false. The control goes to the main function and the last value, which is P, print 120. Thus we print the factorial of 5, that is 120. We have already given PDF of this topic, and thus you print the factorial of a number in C and C++ programming.